free items in Roblox. But after that, like and subscribe to help me reach 1K subs. Let's go! First, search this app. Second, join it. To get the items, you must reach level 10. You must play games. There you I reached level 10. So that means I get the items. So let's teleport in my avatar. So you will get this cute backpack. And you will get this cool AO surfboard.